Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am here featuring another quick and easy card, and today I'm going to be using the Delightful Daisy Design Series paper, and this is the one that has all the gorgeous flowers. You can see this. I feel like this is a really cute one, to be honest, and so I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to also be using the Daisy Punch. And so we need 2 of those, and I'm doing those in Whisper White, so let's just punch them out. Oop. And here it will be the okay. And I've already pre-punched a little circle with the 3/4 punch, which is this one. I have an old version of the Stampin' Up one. But this one is a 3/4 circle. And okay, so let me just tell you what else do I have. I have here my card base, which is the 5.5 by 8.5 in Whisper White, which as usual we're going to be folding in half using our bone folder. Then I have a piece of crushed curry that is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Design Series paper, and you can see both sides are really nice. And this one is 3 3/4 by 5. I have a lot of the crushed curry on hand, so that's the one that I was using, but I think it will also be nice if you use the Daffodil Delight. And honestly, since it is really little what you see, it really didn't matter for me that I'm not going with the exact color from the paper. Since it has a lot of the shades of the yellows, as you can see, I think it still looks nice. So here it is. We're gonna be gluing this one already. And if you haven't noticed yet, I have been using a lot of the Design Series paper. Well, in June there's a new catalog, and so my goal is to try to use as much of the Design Series paper that I have, because I know I will be in love with more Design Series paper, and it seems like I'm always hoarding it. So I actually watched one of the videos from another fellow demonstrator, Kylie Bertucci. She's from Australia, well known, and she was talking about shopping it all your Design Series paper. So I'm doing a lot of that because my goal is to use as much as I can so that I don't feel as guilty when I buy more of the newest Design Series paper coming up with the new catalog. So anyway, so now I have a piece of the crushed curry, and this one is 4 by 1, and honestly the size on this one, it didn't matter because it's just going to be a little flag. And so let's just put together the flower and then figure out how long do I need that piece. But I'm using a glue dot for the center, just so that I can have it exactly overlapping. You see that? And so I want it to be like so. So I think it looks nice. I think it does. And then on this one I'll use another glue dot. Actually, I'm going to be using 2. Those are just 2 of the glue dots. That way it kind of coordinates, and I'm going to be using a dimensional, of course, for this. So let's just use the dimensional here. And I want to put, it looks too jello at this point. So I figure it will be nice to have some of this ribbon, which is from the Taylor, what is this, the Taylor, Taylorman, or what was the name again? I can't remember, but this is the corduroy ribbon. It's out of the masculine suite that we have right now going on the Occasions catalog. But anyway, this is the corduroy ribbon, which is Night of Navy, and it kind of goes really well with this paper. So I'm going to be putting a well, let's just start gluing everything. That way I know exactly where everything is going to be laying out. We're going to be putting some of this ribbon, and we're going to be putting it like so. Then I can just cut it out. And then I'll have this removed. And so this one will be really nice for any occasion. Anyway, I did pick the Enjoy Today from the Pieces and Patterns, the stamp set, because I really like that one. And I'm using one of my scrap papers that I have. I'm going to be stamping in Night of Navy. And I'm just going to eyeball it here. Voila. So, there we go. I'm going to be doing another flag. And this is one of, this little thing is like half an inch, and it's one of the scraps that I have anytime I do cards. So, don't throw away those, especially the white ones, because I mean it looks really nice as there we go. I think it looks nice, and I'm putting dimensionals on those, especially the white or very vanilla, because they go really well with like sentiments, or at least I end up using them a lot that way. But anyway, let's just do that, and I'm using the mini dimensionals. And here is the thing. No, I do like it here. And there we go. So here is the card for today. I think it looks really nice, and really it highlights a lot the Design Series paper with all the daisies behind. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed. Again, this is a really quick, easy card. And I was gonna say that I do have an ordering incentive, so anyone placing an online order in my site using the hostess code will be getting a card kit to make 4 cards, and if your order is $50 or more, you'll also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, you can find more information in every blog post that I do at creatingwithali.com. Also, do go to my blog where you can get the current hostess code. I don't put it here because a lot of the times you're watching this video at a different month, and this incentive is for 2018. So for all 2018, so every month there will be a different hostess code to be using. So please go ahead, check it out at creativewithali.com. You can go, also I have the link on the description, so you can click on that one as well, and order from my site, get the card kit, and like I said, you can also get the accessory of the month. So I'll be mailing those the following month, so hopefully you enjoy it. And anyway, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll follow up with you. And thank you so much, and see you soon.